Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract the audio from a clip in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the CapCut app, and then it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. We have to select one that we want to work on. And then in the editing menu, we can just tap on the clip that we want to edit. And then if we scroll to the right in the bottom bar, we find the extract audio button. Now if we tap on this, then the app is going to separate the audio from the video of the clip, and then we can edit the audio separately and edit the clip also separately. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.